Hello, I am Akshay Vachani, CEO and co-founder of DineFine. I am really very thankful to India Fund Fest for providing us with such a good platform to get funded, a good vision and a good plan. It's all that takes to get funded, and we have both of it. Let's see what happens. I'm really very excited. And thank you.
Hello, I am Akshay Vachani, CEO and co-founder of DineFine, Mumbai. We are looking to raise 2 crores for 10% equity, and we have a good B2B and B2C traction, and we are looking to raise funds for talent acquisition and market entry. Already available food tech startups have brought ease and comfort for the people. We are bringing services and security on top of it. DineFine uses the network of CloudShare Kitchen to not only help people who are already dependent on outside source for their daily needs, but also helps people with cooking. Around 2.2% of the total population, around 2.2%, there is around urban population is increasing by 2.2% globally and about 1.8% in India. There is no special services for such kind of there is no services for such kind of people. DineFine brings catalog of subscription services which ranging from lifestyle, regional and foodie services. One such example of services is American breakfast. A single service will get 3 variety of service in it. One of it is online buffet, the other one is a la carte, and the fourth one is dining. We will be also launching a live ordering apps on this platform, which will also be available on other food delivery services. This is an investment platform for kitchen as well as an average Indian consumer. So all our services are super accessible naturally. 100% we serve 100% authentic and multi-cuisine meals without owning a single kitchen. There are 2 modes of revenue. The first revenue is by sales, and the other mode of revenue is by investment. So please see in the slides. The efficiency of CloudShare Kitchen grows more efficient with the network. We have a tech to manage the network as well as a CloudShare Kitchen. Coco model will help us penetrate the market very deeply. We will be able to serve niche market very efficiently. The other thing is that we have a strong ecosystem built around our services. Please see in this slide, sir. So this is our business model. So we serve raw materials to the CloudShare Kitchen. CloudShare Kitchen cooks the food and packs it for us. The delivery agents delivers the kitchen. So let's change the slide. So this is our traction. We have sold over 1,000 meals per day in a 5-kilometer radius with only a single kitchen. We have a customer retention rate of 70%. Users use our services for more than 200 days consequently. B2B clients served by us highly recommend us. So we are looking to raise around 2 crores for 10%, which we will be using for talent acquisition and market entry. We already know the talent that we are going to hire, and we already have a plan to enter the market. So please see in the slide. So these are the projection considering the current scenario. By the end of 2021, we will be having 25 CloudShare kitchens. We have sold more than 60 Coco franchises. We will be doing a monthly sale of 25,000 through our B2B through our brands, and we will be having 110 daily users for our B2B services. The total revenue that we will be generating in the year 2021 is around 10.5 crores with around 25 lakhs profit. These are the sales numbers.
Yes, Akshay, yeah. Need to stop. So okay. Keep the slides on. I want you to come closer to the mic. You are not audible, and it's not helping matters at all. So I'm going to ask a few questions, then a lot of people will have other questions as well.
Okay, sir.
Is there a technology play in this at all?
Yes, sir.
Slowly, आराम से बताओ. No, don't go. There.
Okay,
so
sir.
Have you already built it?
Yes, sir. We have
How
an
many
algorithm.
partner kitchens are on your platform?
So we have 10 kitchens. We have 3 kitchens which will be working from next month, and we will be 10 kitchens. We will be having 10 kitchens pipeline which are already ready to work with us in the next 6 months. We have already generated leads of 50 plus more kitchens that are already ready to work with us.
And so how long have you all been working on this?
So basically, we have been working on the services since 2017. But the plan that we made is we had a cloud kitchen at that time. So we had one kitchen. We were using that kitchen for the services. But then we hit a roadblock because of the limitations of a kitchen. Then we made the.
Speak slower and clearly. Something's wrong with your mic, and you are mixing up the word.
So we are serving the same market since 2017, but the business plan was different. We were using our own cloud kitchen, but a cloud kitchen has a certain limitations. So the problem was that if we had opened a lot of kitchens, that it would have been difficult for us to serve people. So then we came up with this idea organically of CloudShare Kitchen, that we started working with different kitchens to deliver our meals for our peers.
The technology is already built out?
Yes, the algorithm is ready.
No, that's not the answer.
So we have a technology which helps the CloudShare Kitchen work efficiently and contact each other, so that the efficiency is always higher.
Who built it? Did your team build it? Was it outsourced?
Yes, Sushant Farse.
You'll have to repeat that slowly.
So Sushant Farse, he is a member of a team who looks after the tech. He has built the technologies.
Okay. How are you projecting $2 million revenue in the first year?
So we will be opening 25 CloudShare kitchens by the end of the next year, and we already have leads for B2B sales. We are also partnered with a certain institute which will help us get B2B clients, and we will also be launching 4 brands by the end of the year 2021. So if the situation gets better, we can actually make a revenue of around 2.5 million.
So my last question before I give Vijay. So the basic premise is that
Yes, sir.
people and kitchens that are idle in the off hours,
Yes,
you're
sir.
going to train them and partner
Yes,
with
sir.
them to use their kitchen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And people are open to this idea.
Yes, sir.
You have tied up with anybody like that?
Yes, sir.
Who?
So we have 5 kitchens in Delhi, and we have 5 kitchens in Bombay. So some of the kitchens in Bombay are very high-rated kitchens, like the club kitchens of True Tram Trunk. These are all the pubs that are successfully running in Bombay, but they have ideal time, so we partner with such kitchens. So we tie up with night batch as well. From night 12 to morning 8 also we tie up.
So when the food goes, it goes with that restaurant's branding or yours?
No, sir, it goes with our branding, sir. The restaurant gets an investment plan, high return investment plan.
Okay. Take off the screen share and Vijay.
Hi.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you for that. Thank you for that presentation. So, what are you raising the money for? Where do you need 2 crores?
So we need to hire some talent. So this talent is some of the talent is already working with us, and we have to start with entry level marketing, sir.
Okay. And when do you expect to start making revenues?
So we will be making revenues as soon as we hit the market, which we are planning to hit it on September, first week of September.
Thank you. Do the investors have any questions? Any questions, anybody? No?
Okay.
Nalan?
Okay. No questions from this panel. We'll continue
Okay.
working with you
Okay.
and take it forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Akshay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
All the best. All the best.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So I'm Akshay Vachhani, CEO and co-founder of Dinefine from Mumbai. I'm really very thankful to India Fund Fest for providing me with such a huge platform to get funded. About the funding round, I'll say that I wasn't able to hold on to my nerves as I would love to, but I'll hope for the best and thank you.